Good.
Hey, it's Joe Tamarco from PumpRepairSupply.com. All right, so people always ask me all the time, what are the 3 most important chemicals in your pool? Okay, well, there's 5 major chemicals in your pool. Okay, you have alkalinity, pH, chlorine, stabilizer, and calcium. Okay, so 2 of the things you're really not going to have to worry about are stabilizer and calcium. Calcium is water hardness, and you know that's something you have to change every 5 years, and we'll go over in another video. Now, the second thing you need, let's start from the top, okay? Sorry, I flubbed up there a little bit. So start from the top. Alkalinity, that is basically baking soda. So every year when you start your pool, you have to put 80 to 120 parts per million of baking soda into your pool, okay? And you can do that with baking soda. I've showed you in other videos, if you get the giant Arm & Hammer box, 5-pound box, it will show you how to adjust it. The second thing is pH. Well, basically, once you get your alkalinity right, your pH won't fluctuate so much. Your third thing is chlorine. Now, a lot of people like to use salt generators now, but you know, I wouldn't be washing my underwear with salt. I would totally be sticking with chlorine. So I'm a true fan of chlorine. I'm sorry, salt guys. You know, this video is not for you. And then the last thing, like I said, is stabilizer, which I was talking about before when I flubbed. Stabilizer is called sulfuric acid, and then basically that's something that's found in chlorine. It actually helps the chlorine stay in the pool. But most chlorine tablets these days that you buy from, like, you know, Leslie's, you know, Costco, BJ, stuff like that, they're called stabilized chlorine tablets, and that stabilizer is built into the chlorine, so as you add the chlorine tablet into your pool, it stabilizes your chlorine levels and doesn't let it burn right out. Now, if you didn't have that stabilizer, what would happen is the minute the sun came out, the chlorine would burn right out of your pool. So basically, on your list or your notebook, if you're closing your pool or you're opening your pool, you want to make sure you have at least, you know, 20-30 pounds of baking soda, which is alkalinity. Now, if you run down to the pool store,